Rastafari. Yeah, man. Listen up, brothers and sisters. The black ships once came to Japan. They studied reform and then they left. But since there's no Christian Luke's here, no, the Christians are left behind, ignored. And a new religion is branded as heresy.
Hey brother, if you're a fellow Christian, hear me, lend a little helping hand. Just tell the world a little bit of the truth. That's all I ask, please.
CNN, BBC, Al Jazeera, they won't report. NHK, TBS, TV, I saw either. All complete sustained by China's money and leftist thought. That's why they hate the Unification Church. It's a state framework. We don't need money or wealth. Brother, just report this to your local news outlet. Then 300 believers will be saved. Freedom of faith is guaranteed by the Constitution. You always say, oh my God, I'm counting on that energy. Yeah, man. Please report this to a person